Hi guys, Rachel CPR here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Thank you for joining me today. I have a curly hair product haul and a couple of other random lifestyle items that I wanted to share with you today. A lot of the hair products that I have are repurchases, and because I am going to be doing another video this week showing you how I have changed my wash and go routine. And so I want to make sure that I show you exactly the products that I will be using. And so if you want to see those products, please keep watching. Okay, so I am going to start off with a gadget, a hair gadget. I am completely someone who falls for hair gadgets all the time. And this one I fell hard for. I think I put it in my cart, my Amazon cart, within like maybe 2 seconds of seeing it because I had never seen it before. And the product that I'm talking about is a twist comb. I'm not sure if any of you are familiar with this. Please let me know down below if you are familiar with these. These are the twist combs. They look like two tennis rackets, or maybe the table tennis rackets. That's what they look like. They have little picks on the end. I bought these for my boys. They came with a pack of 2, red and not red. This is black. And red, and you are supposed to use these on your hair when it's dry. That's what it tells you on the packaging. I haven't tried them on my boys yet, but I don't know if this is going to work on their hair dry, but I will follow the instructions to start with, and then if it doesn't work that way, I'll do it on wet hair. But there are no sharp edges on it, so I'm thinking that it will be okay not to give them any kind of damage or anything like that. And I love that the end has a little pick. They probably wouldn't use that, but this is really, really cool. I never heard of these before, and so when I saw it, I was like super excited. And I love the fact that it came with 2, and the 2 were different colors so that no one is saying, that's mine. Now, the other thing that it came with was also 2 picks, and I thought that was a great thing to add to the mix. And let's just see if these are nice and sturdy. Oh, they're good. They're good, and there are no sharp edges at the bottom. I always check to see if there are any sharp edges on the plastic part of the combs that I purchase, or clips, because if there are sharp edges, they will act like razors in your hair. So again, I was super excited about this, and I look forward to seeing them. I look forward to using them. Okay. Next, and I have a box right here, and I am just grabbing things as I go, and the next one is so random. The next thing that I have is the Water Flosser toothbrush, and this is the URTUE 2-in-1 Complete Oral Care System. My daughter has braces, and we have a water flosser for her. This is the one I have right now. We purchased a water flosser for her to soothe her gums, and the one that she has is not designed for more than one person to use it, but this one right here actually has 2 of each of the products in it. Let me just open it up to show you. Okay, so it comes with a toothbrush. It's not an electric toothbrush as much as it is a toothbrush that will just spray the water into your teeth, which the thought of that is my favorite, because when I get my teeth cleaned, I love the part of the cleaning where they're spraying your teeth with the cool water. That is my favorite part of the cleaning. Not only does it mean it's almost time to go, but it also means that I just get that nice burst of refreshment for my gums. And so I love that. So this right here is a really, really nice one. It's very sleek, very grown up. And then the water nozzle is nice and long. I like that this right here is nice and long. And there's just a little lever right here. You pop it out and just put it in. Wow, that's great. So I'm looking forward to that. Oh. Ooh, the air is a little bit forceful. I like that. Very, very good. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4 settings. Normal, soft, pulse, and DIY. I'm really looking forward to using this. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful product. And it's from URTUE. So this is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. And this is something that one of you suggested to me to try this product, and wow, I am so happy and thankful that you did, because I'm in love with this product. I have not put it down since I started using it because it is just that good. Extremely moisturizing, but not to a point where my hair feels greasy. And I mean, this one right here I just got. I still have a couple uses in the other one that I have. So this one is sealed. Oh, came up pretty easily. I will say the only thing I don't like about it, which can be off-putting, is the smell, because it smells like Play-Doh. And so that, to me, that's kind of a sickening smell. But by the time I use the rest of my hair care products, it doesn't seem to be something that lingers at all. And so I'm okay with it. And the performance of this product is just that good, and so I'm completely okay with the smell of Play-Doh. And this is what I will be using in my wash and go routine that I show you this week, where I do an update on what I'm doing so that my curls are just so much more defined and they stay so much longer. I still go 3 days, but I did push it to 6 days with my last wash and go, just to see if it would go. But I don't suggest that you do that, as much as that's how nicely my curls stayed uniform and with minimal gel in my hair. This product right here was my main styler, but then I have a different process that I use. So please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you see when I upload that video. The next product is another repurchase, and this is the Garnier Pure And Clean Styling Gel. This is the gel that I will be pairing with this Shea Moisture product. I will be using all Garnier products. That is my favorite drugstore product right now that I'm using on my hair. And so I'm going to do a drugstore wash and go, and I'm going to use this. A lot of you tell me that you use this product and that you love it, and it's always something you go back to. And I'm with you. This is just a gel that I always go back to. Excited about that. The next thing that I'm grabbing from the bunch is my Simply Nature 100% grapeseed oil. I purchased this in Aldi's. This is the grapeseed oil I have been using for the past, I think, 3 years now. I've just been purchasing this oil because it is so inexpensive in Aldi. I think it's about $3. This is a 9-ounce container, and I tell you, this is an excellent value. The next product that I have for you is the Mizani 25 Miracle Milk. This is not a curly girl friendly product. This is a product that I will use in my hair when I have my hair blown out straight. I will try this product out. I've never used it before. It is a newer product on the market, and it does have a water soluble silicone in it. So that, again, if your hair doesn't do well with silicone, your curls, this is not something that I'm suggesting for you. As much as for me, when I wear my hair straight or blow dried, I normally use a product with a water soluble silicone in it, because it helps to keep my hair straight. Because when I wear my hair curly like this, my hair is trained to constantly take in moisture, and if it's taking in moisture when I am wearing my hair straight, it just automatically puffs up. And so I usually use something that's water soluble that will rinse out, or just shampoo out with one shampoo and not like layer on my hair too much. So I will be giving this one a try, and I am so happy I have it to try. Next, I have 2 gels from the IC company, and I have the hair polisher and the coconut styling gel. I was looking for something to replace my wet line gel, because I mentioned it before that the wet line gel did have a little bit of a formulation change, and I don't really like the new formulation change. It doesn't play well with the products that I normally use in my hair, and so I wanted to try to find something that's drugstore that I can pick up very easily, use, and just not really stress about it. These products are very moisturizing, but I don't necessarily like the hold that it gives me. I feel as if the hold is not strong enough, but it makes my hair feel a little bit oily. And so that's not a bad thing, as much as from my personal preference on what I use my hair gel for. This is not working for me like the wet line. So I've already opened this one and used it quite a few times trying to work around the whole situation, but it didn't work out. I didn't use this one, but obviously I'll just have to find someone to give these to, because I know that I will not go back to them, and my daughter doesn't like to use gel in her hair, so these will just go to waste if I don't find someone to give them to. So that's what's going to happen with those. But again, it's not that they're bad. It's just not from my hair type or my preference with my hair. Oh, I have something nice and fun for the last product, and that is this beautiful ponytail. It is a peacock ponytail, Peacoco. This is a curly hair ponytail. Look at that. The texture is a Jerry Curl Spring. And you know I love my ponytails. And this one right here looks really good. The color looks spot on for me. I think so anyway. You tell me what you think. I think the color looks spot on. I will just have to go through and take some of the defined curls out. I don't necessarily like to have super defined curls in my ponytail. And I love the fact that it has a little bit of stiffness to it, because that means that once I take some of this definition out, it will like keep its volume, and I really like that. Ooh, and this was an Amazon order. Look at this. This is already looking gorgeous. I think so anyway. So pretty. Okay, I'm so excited about this. I can't stop playing with it. It has a great big net that it came in as well, so that the curls don't get smushed and look weird. And I do find that that happens sometimes with when the net is too small, it tends to make the curls get smushed, especially since it's a synthetic ponytail. It tends to make the curls get all smushed up. Thank you once again, guys, for joining me for this video and staying until the end. I look forward to talking to you in my next video, which once again will be a full wash and go routine. I'm going to go from beginning to end and showing you exactly how I do my new wash and go routine, or my updated wash and go routine. I will talk to you then, guys. Bye.